Here's how to create a GitHub account. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so let's get to it. You can go over here on github.com and put your email over here and then click on sign up for GitHub. Or you can also press here on the top right on sign up. So let's press here. Now over on the right hand side, you'll find sign up for GitHub. You can continue with Google or continue with Apple. These are much faster sign up process. But if you scroll down, you'll find your normal sign up form. This is what we are going to use. So quickly fill up your details, the password, the email, and also you can put your username. Now, if they accept your username, they're going to show this tick mark on the right hand side of this field. Select your country or region and then click on this create account. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your email address. So they're going to send a code to that email that you provided. Now, if you did not get your email in inbox, check your other folders like spam or newsletter notification, etc. Like I've got this GitHub code here. I'm going to open it and this is the code. So I'm going to copy it from here, go back and paste it. Now it says that our account has been created successfully. Now we need to enter our username and password. Once you have filled up your details, you will sign in to this dashboard page and that's it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create a GitHub account. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find a full GitHub playlist for GitHub guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.